Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Friends, in this video you will learn how to set static IP in Ubuntu 22.04. So friends, at first we have to click on the top right corner icon. You will see this top right corner icon. You will just click on this. If you see the network icon, you just click on network icon, and then you have to click wired off, and then click wired settings or wired connections. Under Ethernet tab you will find all the wired connection details. Now if it is available, you just need to make it on, and once you make it on, you will see the network icon on the top bar. See, this is the network icon. See, if you make it off, network icon is removed. Once you make it on, network icon is appeared. Now you have to click on the gear icon, and then click on IPv4, and then click on manual. Now you are able to set up IP address, net mask, gateway and DNS, all these things. After entering the IP details, net mask, gateway and DNS, you just need to click on apply button, which is located here. This is the apply button. You just need to click on apply button after setting all these details.